Hey guys, Shrivats here. Today I'm going to unbox the Chi Thunderclap. This was, I didn't buy it. This was given as a birthday present, a late birthday present by a dear friend of mine, and I would like to thank her. So thank you. Okay, so let's get on with unboxing. Okay, so yeah, already unboxed it before, but I repacked it so that you guys can see. So first off, when you open this compartment here where this mesh mesh bag is placed, and it's actually really nice. Yeah, it has a logo Mofang here, so yeah, it's pretty cool actually. So yeah, on with the cube, and yeah, it comes in another box. It has a wrapper. I just took it off. So what I noticed is that I think this is smaller than normal 3x3s. I could do a size comparison with my Ulong. Okay, so yeah. Yep, yep, there is a size. The size varies. Yeah, the Thunderclap is a millimeter smaller than the Ulong, and frankly, I'm telling you, this cube is actually light. Or I don't know if my Ulong's heavy, but yeah, I think this is lighter. Yeah. So yeah, let's get on the first turns. Oh wow. Okay, so the first turns is pretty awesome actually. This is wow. This is actually nice. Wow. It just, yeah, I don't know how to describe it. It's like, I feel it's kind of fast and airy and yet controllable. Wow, this is actually nice actually. Wow. This is fast, like, okay. So let's check in the inner mechanism. Oh wow. Okay, so yeah, first yeah, this is factory lobe as you can see, but it's dry and yet it actually moves fast. That is so cool. Okay, so the pieces, this is the edge piece, this is a corner piece, and it kind of resembles an oolong, but I don't remember an oolong having, an oval like this actually. This oolongs, they have, it's, this this part just sticks out, while this is just shaped into an oval. Yeah, the corner piece, it's the same. And this is what's interesting in this cube. As you can see, okay, let me, yeah. Okay, so yeah, I'm taking off my Ulong, and it's in pretty bad condition. It's just popping away. I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, you can see the difference between these two right here. Okay, so yeah, over here you can see the center cap. You can just take it off, and it's not part of the cube at all. It's at the top part. While here, I don't think I can open it because it's really tough, because you can see the cut is actually here. So basically I have to open it from the bottom part, which is interesting, which means this is actually part of the cube, and I think this helps the cube turn faster. As you can see over here, at this part over here, yeah, I guess it does help. Okay, wow, that's interesting. She has done some improvements. Since this is a successor of the bullfight. Okay, so it's hard to put these pieces back. That's a good thing though. Yeah, this I don't think this will corner twist, but yeah, the tensions are pretty good, stock tensions. And yeah, let's check corner cutting. This is 45. Wow, definitely, definitely, it cuts 45 nicely. A little above 45. Let's try reverse. Oh, yeah, it does cut 3/4 reverse, but it definitely cuts half. 3/4 reverse, yeah, it does actually. I'm sorry. It cuts 3/4 reverse, and yeah, this is actually pretty nice. Actually, it's super fast yet controllable. It's different from most 3x3s actually. Like the Yushin, it's it's not as good as this because it's so fast that you can't control it. And yeah, and I don't think this is gonna pop. And yeah, so that's all for the unboxing. I'll post the review soon. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.